closed one more deal, like one more acquisition.
Just I think 2 hours back only, I received goals. And
Wow.
out of blue, I received it from an unexpected source, that too in a huge amount.
Without interview. Today itself, I actually got the offer letter without interview.
Wow.
बिल्कुल जो चाहा था वो हो गया.
I wanted to open a women's clinic on menopausal women's clinic, and I have launched it.
Oh,
Number two.
congratulations.
I was given an opportunity to give a radio talk, and now I have received invitation to become vice president in menopause society here in Udaipur.
Well done, well done.
I, in spite of in this field for last more than 12 years, I just felt the difference, in last 4-5 days. Like I can see the energy flowing, and mentally also I'm flowing very effortlessly.
एज अ टीचर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ.
Wow, you got a job. Well done,
तो पता
congratulations.
नहीं आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स मैम, आपको मतलब मैजिक लगेगा.
बीच में 2 बार I received money from my husband SE, and then SE, and then from my mother also she transferred some money.
कि आपने एक मनी से रिलेटेड एक ड्रॉबैक बताया था कि हम अपने बच्चों को भी जब छोटे होते हैं कोई पैसे देता है तो हम मना करते हैं. हम बेसिकली मनी ब्लॉक करते हैं उनका फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड.
Correct.
एंड ये बात मेरे दिमाग में इतना बैठ चुकी है कि अभी कोई भी मेरे सामने मना करता है ना, मैं उसको टोकती हूँ.
I have reached 80% of his goal target, and I have cracked 1.2 crore business worth of premium. And today I have made 13 lakhs premium on business. And then while coming in a metro train through one of our ladies speaking, I made a 1 lakh premium business. I just don't know what to say to Jyoti ma'am. I feel it is my last year birth karma, or my parents' very good karma that I got connected to her.
Away, I never had that confidence. I have been a hardcore housewife ever since I got married. So I had never earned a rupee of my own. And now I'm very confidently charging. Yes, very I say comfortably, ma'am. You have changed. Wo self-worth is like, next level. And
so much things are happening in life. Means it was like dream come true. Really.
तेरी हालत तो अब वो बोला सर आपका अकाउंट नंबर दे दीजिएगा मैं पेमेंट भेज दूंगा.
Good. Money is flowing from everywhere to you, Anup ji.
Seriously, morning में जो मेरे को रिसीव हुआ है ना, it was hefty, very good. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आई, बहुत अच्छा था. वो अबंडेंस वाली चीज बहुत बड़ी.